What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Hong from WILDCHILD Adventures, and in today's video we will be unboxing the OpenRoad 13,000 pound winch that I just received yesterday. It's right here, and it's not bad. It's a budget friendly winch, and I did get a really good deal. They have a sale going on because it is Labor Day weekend, and if you apply a few YouTuber codes that I found online, which I will link in the bottom in the description if you're interested, and you can pick one of these winches. It won't break the bank. I got this with the codes and all that shipped out for roughly around $450, and I think it's under $450 later. But yeah, it's a decent winch. Seen good reviews online, and hopefully this works out for me. I have no experience with the winch. This is my first winch, and originally I thought I was going to go with like a Warren or something nicer, but you know what, I just stick with something simple right now, and that won't break the bank. All right, so here it is. I'm just gonna quickly unbox it, and then if I have time, we will be putting it onto the WILDCHILD. And as you can see, there are a few other upgrades that I've done throughout this summer. So, but yeah, let's we'll focus on this guy, and we'll go from there. All right, so what do we have here? We have the wired controller. We have a negative terminal, right? There's two wireless controllers. We got the hook. We got a little strap. You got all your nuts and bolts. Instruction manual. Some stickers. You got you got a hat. And instructions look decent. I mean, looks okay, pretty straightforward. What else is there? Yeah, could have been a better quality, but it will do. At least it's in color and all that. Okay, so we got that. But yeah, here's the winch itself. It's already put on. I was watching the other videos that comes separate, and you gotta install it. But yeah, that's how it looks. The cables are pretty beefy. This one, I don't know if that's paint. I can't tell. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, that's some. Maybe it's the styrofoam that was on the box. But yeah, the cables are pretty beefy. I guess pretty standard stuff. Like I said, I have no experience with winches, so this is my first one. Hence, I went with the budget version and nothing expensive. So yeah, this is the OpenRoad 13,000 pound Panther 2S, I believe it is. Something like that. Again, pretty. They have a there's a sale going on their website, and then if you apply a couple of codes, you can get this budget winch for a really good price. So roughly 400-ish Canadian dollars. Yeah, hopefully this works out for me, and yeah. Okay, enough of the talk. Let's get it onto the WILDCHILD. All right, guys, the truck is in. Just brought it in. It is very hot outside and very bright, as you can see. So right now I have it here. I got all the front removed, the grill removed, and I prepped up the space. Next thing I need to do is just get the winch ready, and like every other winch setup, they do come with these 4 square nuts that you just basically slide into the side here, right here, so that when you screw it, it doesn't spin. So it just goes in like that. So you got 4 of them, and the slide, I guess it doesn't matter which side. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So just put them in. like that. Then I just have to attach the ground to this bolt here, and that is pretty much it. There's two sets of washers. One's a shiny one like this, and one that's like just plain bare metal. So just make sure you have the right ones. These are just for the front fair lead, I believe. For the fair lead, which I won't be using. I already have one, the red one down here installed. So I'll be using that. And yeah, I think everything is good. Let me just attach that ground to there, and that's it. And hopefully everything is set. All right. Okay, guys, looks like we ran into a snag. So originally I thought there were 9 holes that you can use for adjustments, but you can't really do much. I mean, you can only move it horizontally, but you can't move it vertically, or, you know, back and forth. So yeah, it kind of sucks. So what I am gonna do, I'm just gonna leave this as is and put it on, and then I'm gonna make a bracket later so I can actually move this control box up further so it doesn't get in the way of the grill. I thought that I could mount it this way, like this, and have the cables sticking out through the side, but that the holes don't align the bracket at the bottom. So can't do it this way. So I guess I'm stuck with the original way for now, till I get a new bracket, make a new bracket. Yeah, I'm just, it's not the best design actually. It'll be cool if I could actually throw it. I might be able to throw the box in here actually. Actually, no, that's not. The cables are not even long enough to actually. Yeah, that just sucks. That just sucks. Unless, yeah, I can't turn the winch around. I mean, that is a good spot to put a control box right here. I mean, I would have to tear apart everything. I mean, yeah. All right, let's go back to the original spot and test it out first, and then we can figure out later in the future how we are going to deal with this box. But for now, that's how it is. We are done with the install. I have the winch all tightened up and in with the grill, the cables all run into the engine bay. I have it just wired up to my secondary battery on the Genesis dual system here. I apologize for the mess. I gotta fix this up. It is really messy and I don't like it. But I have it just going through here, through the bottom, through the fender, out here and into the bumper and around. This was not fun to get in, especially the control box. As you can see, the wires are just like jammed in there. So I really hope in the next revision that they do, that the OpenRoad does fix up this bracket, so you have a couple more holes to align this box up. Originally, I thought I read that in the instruction manual that there was 9 adjustment points holes in there, but there's only what 6 or something like that. So, and you can only adjust it left and right and not forward and backward. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make a new bracket, and I'm going to have this whole thing just shift forward because there is a lot of As you can see, I do have a lot of space left in here, so I can have this box move forward, and then the cables won't be all crushed up into the grill. But other than that, everything is set, ready to test. So I have this right now on free spool, so I can actually pull the cable out, right? And so that is working. First thing I'm gonna do is just get this wired controller in. And as you can see, there is a notch on this. I don't know if you can see, but there is a notch up there. Yeah, probably can't see it. Goes in one way. All right, so let's pop out this, and the notch goes to the top like that. All right, so to pull it out, I gotta turn the clutch, and hopefully this works. There we go. All right. And then to bring it back in, there we go. All right, so at least I know the wired controller is working. All right, so next thing is, let's see if let's put that down. The wireless controllers work. So as you can see, it's turned it on, and out. I'm hitting the out button. I mean, hello. Is there some secret way to do this? All right, so this one doesn't work for some reason. Okay. All right, so this one's on. This has battery, so you can see it flashing. And same thing. Oh. All right, so controllers don't work. That sucks. I mean, the lights are on. There must be some secret way that I'm missing. All right, guys, so I'm not sure what's wrong with the wireless controller. Maybe there's some kind of pairing I need to do. I'll just look through the instruction manual. It doesn't really say anything like that, so I'll just dig into it a little bit later. But everything works as is, and I'll probably get rid of this ugly hook. Get rid of this guy, and pick up a knockoff of the Factor 55 hook. I just can't justify picking up a $300 hook that I'm not sure I'm not gonna use that often. So I'm gonna get a knockoff first and replace this hook. I don't know, this just looks so ugly. Then pick up some other accessories for the winch, like shackles, D-ring, tree saver. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for the video. I don't know what else is there, but yeah, everything is working. Well, sort of working. So the controllers. Other than that, the control box needs to get shifted. I need to fix that. But other than that, it is working. Hopefully I don't have to use it on myself. I can use this to help people. But other than that, I think it's a decent product for the price range, because it is what I paid 450 Canadian dollars compared to a Warren, which is like what, 1,500 to 2,000 depending what version you get. So yeah, that's it for the winch installs. I don't know what else is there. What else am I missing here? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit a like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, just thought I'd do a quick update with the wireless controllers. Now, I just got an email back from OpenRoad, and they say these were a new type of controllers, and they needed to be paired. So they told me to hold on to the in and out buttons for 10 seconds, which let me just turn it on first. Okay, so it's on, blinking lights, and hold on these for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it should work, but as you can see, it is not working. So try the other one. Again, turn it on. So the light is flashing. So in and out for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let go. So it's still blinking. And hit the out, and nothing is working. So that sucks, but as long as the wired controller works, it is fine. And I've also just replaced the hook with the Factor 55 knockoff. This was only $45 on Amazon. So I will use this for now until I deem worthy of a Factor 55. But it looks okay. $45 versus $300. I think that's a win for now. But yeah, that's it for the update, guys. And next project here is this solar panel, which I have to get up onto the rack. And I do plan on trying to get it to angle. So I want to make it able to pivot on an angle when I want it to. So I gotta figure out how I'm going to do that, and order some aluminum brackets and all that, and figure out how I can make it fold up and down. All right, guys, that's it for the update, and hopefully I get something back from OpenRoad. And once I do, we'll fill you guys back in. All right, take care.